Hey friends, this is Marissa. I am back with another project share for ScrapDiva Designs, new release for this month, November. They are all Christmas and I absolutely love them. I've been sharing a few on Instagram just because it's easier to make reels than it is to make videos. Apparently for me, I'm struggling. I've been trying to upload a release and it will not upload. Anyway, so I'm redoing, like I said, some of the designs that I've created. Dyes are available. Definitely head over to Erica's shop and don't forget to use my discount code MWALKER10. So let's jump in. So for this one, they are the mini bottle pocket tag. Oh my gosh, I'm getting ahead of myself. And I made these and shared them, I think maybe last week on Instagram. They are so fast to make and quick to put together that I'm going to show you guys one and also give like a little tutorial on what I did, kind of. Anyways, so for these, I was inspired by the little snowman because I had these stickers that I found at, I think, Hobby Lobby. And I also picked up the Michaels paper collection. I love this pattern. I feel like it's like an old, like a Christmas quilt. I was gonna say old quilt. Ugh, I swear. And then I just embellish with these little poinsettias. And then my favorite flower, of course, I used it there. Oh, I just love the way these turned out. They're so cute. And these are perfect for like teacher gifts. The other thing I did do before I forget is that I took the, it's called the Versamark. This stamp pad, it's like a watermark, but it's also used for embossing. And so I used that and just stamped the images of little hollies all around on the paper. So it's kind of got like a little pattern back there. Just adorable. I did line the back on these just so that they're like, you know, the red doesn't stand out too much. But and I created pockets so that you can put chocolate or gift cards or even more little tags in there for like, I don't know, gift giving kind of thing. That idea, you know. And I used the little oh, what's the bow? The elf bow. This is the small. It's so cute. I just love it. I try to match the color of the little paper to the little scarf. So cute. Okay, so for this project that I'm gonna share, my I have a tendency to buy so many Christmas tags, not to give but to hoard. And to use for my crafts. But do I use them for my crafts? No. So when I remember that I have this stuff is when I pull it out. So I decided that I wanted to make like a super cute, like black and gold and, you know, type of design. And then I remembered that I had these tags that I purchased, oh, I don't know, a year, 2, 3, 4, 5 ago, you know, and they've been sitting there. And so I decided to take them and use them. So I took this one actually, and then the nutcracker. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of them, but I'm taking them apart, obviously die cutting them and fussy cutting them, and I'm going to add them on here. And I found this paper pad in my stash that was gold and black and white, and I just love it. So I'm using that as like my background paper. And I found this Tuesday morning. I'm so sad they're gone now. You know, $3 for the paper pad. So I'm just gonna do a quick little walkthrough of how I'm gonna do this one. Ooh, it's a lot of glitter, and I don't even like glitter, you guys. Like, bugs me when I find it everywhere. So I just, for this one, I'm just gonna make it a simple little tag that you can put on, and in the back I'm gonna add a little like a stamped to and from, so that people could, you know, I'm probably gonna list these on my Etsy shop, so you can gift them to someone on a bottle. But all I did was I cut out the large piece of the die set for this one, the scalloped square part, which is this set here, and then I took the larger one and I lined it up with the tag, and I cut out the Christmas tree, and then I'm just gonna layer them. And what I'm using is I'm gonna use foam tape, real quick and simple, and I'm just going to do that. Okay, and then I'm going to just line it up as best as I can there. There we go. And next I'm also going to add another layer to the tag cutout part. Just like this. Hey. Okay. Okay. So there we go. Just real simple, and I try to line it up the best I can. Okay, then I'm going to take and I'm going to add, I don't know if I should put it in the middle. I think I'm going to put it on the side, and then I can do my little sentiment there. Actually kind of like it on this side. Yeah, so that's what we'll do. So we're just going to add some foam tape here, and we're going to do another one here where it won't be seen. You could also just hot glue it down, but I kind of wanted to have a little bit of a height to it. I'm just gonna angle it a little bit, not a lot. And now I just need to find a sentiment, which I have no idea. I didn't think this through, you guys. I'm gonna see if I have stickers that have something gold, because I think that will be cute. Okay, and then we're just gonna do this. Oh, love it. So there we have our cute little tags. So I found these here, and I'm going to use this one. You could also even like stamp up something to, like, you know, put there, but I think I'm gonna just stick this here like this. And then I could also add snowflakes. If I have gold snowflakes, I need to look. And then I'm gonna take this one. I could do jingle all the way, but do I like that? No, I think I like this one with the little canvas. I think this will be cute. Holiday wishes. Let's do it at an angle. Okay. So I just punched out these little snowflakes. I just have the Fiskar punch and then a really old one. I think it's an EK Success that does this little style. So all I'm gonna do is I'm going to glue these little gold ones onto these guys here like this, kind of opposite of each other. I don't know if you guys can see that. Just like that. I mean, you could also layer it with like some foam tape, would be cute. Hey. But I kind of like the idea of just having it be flat. And then you add a rhinestone to the center. I'm going to do a silver one since we're doing silver and gold. And I have this big one that I can use. Okay, the other thing you're going to need to do, though, is you're going to have to cut some foam tape down. Because this is too big, so I'm just going to do this. Eee. Straight down and straight down. There we go. And then I'm just going to put this back here. Can't really see it. And then I'm just going to take this and add one here like this. And then where's the, here we go. Put this one here. This one I'm going to layer right here. Down over here. Actually, I'm going to put it on the nutcracker so it gives it the height it needs there. Perfect. And then over here, we're going to do one over here, kind of in the same position with the same way that I did this guy right here, up here, and then this one will go over here on the nutcracker because the star's there too, but wow. Okay, so now I'm gonna add these little rhinestones. I don't have enough of the big ones, so I'm gonna do one with the small size here like this. And then, oh, that did not go down in the middle. That's gonna bug me. Right there in the center. And then this one, I'm gonna use this bigger size because I think it'll fit nicely, but I am using my, yep. This one fits way better. There we go. I need to get some more of these big ones then. Okay. So there you have it, you guys. How cute are these? And then these right here. So you can do all kinds of different styles that you might like. And different characters too. So these are just basic, simple. They're not shakers, but you can make these a shaker as well. But anyways, definitely head over to ScrapDiva Designs and check out what's in the shop. Or if you purchase these, give this a try. And definitely check out hashtag ScrapDiva Designs for ideas and inspiration because the ladies are killing it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and come back for some more projects. Bye.